So my exam question reads, the distance between London King's Cross and York Railway Station is 320 kilometres. If the driving wheel of the mallard has a diameter of 2 metres, how many times does it turn its journey between the two stations? Give your answer to the nearest 100. So firstly, we need to work out the perimeter or circumference of the wheel. We need to convert the 320 kilometres into metres. Then we need to divide the distance into metres by the circumference in metres. Last, we need to give the answer to the correct significance. It was Archimedes who was the first to work on finding the circumference or perimeter of a circle. He found the circumference of a circle to be pi multiplied by the diameter. The diameter we know is 2 metres multiplied by pi gives a result of 6.28318 metres. At this point we must use all the decimal places possible for our final answer to be accurate. To change the distance 320 kilometres to metres, we multiply by 1,000 as there are 1,000 metres in a kilometre. So our distance is 320,000 metres. Divided by the distance by the circumference gives us the number of turns, 50,930. This would mean that our answer is 50,900 to the nearest 100. But mallards' front bogie wheels are smaller, but they turn more or less times than the main driving wheels. The diameter of the front wheel is 96 centimetres, or 0.96 metres, giving it a circumference of 3.0159264 metres. The distance is still 320,000 metres, which means this wheel turns 106,100 times. We could draw a graph of this information, our stochastic variable. The one we choose goes on the x-axis, in this case the wheel diameter. The non-stochastic variable depends on the value chosen, so this will be the number of times the wheel turns. Now let's include the 2 points we have already found. But should a straight or curved line join these points? To find this we must use a third point. The evening star has a wheel diameter of 1.5 metres and a circumference of 4.712385 metres. So the number of turns of the wheel is 67,900, which shows that our graph will be curved. Thinking logically, a very small wheel will turn many million times between London and York. A huge wheel will turn a small number of times, once again indicating a curved graph. Back to the studio.